Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, specs, and features of the latest automotive innovations. Today, we dive into the 2025 Audi S8, a luxury performance sedan that blends high-end comfort with cutting-edge technology and thrilling power. The 2025 Audi S8 continues to build on Audi's legacy of combining performance and sophistication in a sleek full-size sedan package. With subtle exterior upgrades, sharper lines, and enhanced detailing, the new S8 maintains its understated elegance while delivering an assertive presence on the road. The signature single-frame grille is now wider and more dominant, paired with matrix LED headlights that not only elevate style but enhance visibility in all conditions. The rear design is equally refined, featuring OLED taillights and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at the performance under the hood. Underneath its polished exterior, the 2025 Audi S8 hides a beastly powertrain. It is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering exceptional grip and control in all driving conditions. The S8 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.8 seconds, which is phenomenal for a luxury sedan of its size. The adaptive air suspension and predictive active suspension system make every drive both smooth and dynamic, adjusting in real time to road conditions and driving style. Inside, the 2025 S8 is a masterclass in craftsmanship and luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium Valcona leather, with intricate stitching and available carbon fiber or wood trim options. The seats are both heated and ventilated, and offer massage functions for front and rear passengers, ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a near-silent ride further enhance the luxury experience. Rear seat passengers are treated to executive-class legroom and available entertainment screens, making this a true flagship sedan in every sense. Technology takes center stage in the S8 with Audi's latest MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreen displays that offer seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit provides a fully digital instrument cluster that is customizable and sharp in detail. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, and advanced voice command functions that respond naturally to spoken instructions. For those who want the ultimate audio experience, an optional 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system is also available. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, Audi has equipped the 2025 S8 with a full suite of technologies. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision assist, 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking assistance. Audi's pre-sense systems work in tandem to provide real-time monitoring and intervention to help prevent accidents and keep occupants safe. Driving the 2025 S8 is a unique experience. It balances sheer performance with luxury and quietness, offering multiple drive modes that adjust steering, suspension, and throttle response. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating city streets, or taking tight curves on a mountain road, the S8 adapts with grace and confidence. The dynamic all-wheel steering improves agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making this large sedan feel surprisingly nimble. Overall, the 2025 Audi S8 is a statement of luxury performance. It delivers exhilarating speed, world-class comfort, and a host of advanced technologies in a beautifully designed package. It is not just a car. It is a refined performance machine built for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their drive. Whether you're being chauffeured or driving it yourself, the S8 exceeds expectations in every category. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Audi S8 on Auto Pulse Media. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with the latest reviews, features, and specs of upcoming vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.